Welcome back to SK Hobbies AZ. And in this episode, we're going to give you guys the update on the SCX10 Gladiator converted into the JL chassis and where we went with it. So why don't you stay tuned. All right, well, welcome back. So we've got the Gladiator chassis plates off, and we put on the shorter standard chassis rails. And let's go ahead and show you guys what we've got as our finished product. All right, so there you go. You can see that we've got my wife's 1991 Toyota 4Runner body mounted on it. Went ahead and let's get this opened up here. So there you go, look at this. So it's a nice, smooth, cleaned up really nice. This thing looks brand new. I did pull the tires off of my wife's SCX10 and move my son's tires onto it. But let's take a look. So I got the portal axles done. Everything mounted up pretty good. We've got the MKS servo in here. We also put underneath this is the Holmes Hobby 13T. It's the Crawlmaster Expert. And then we put the Hobby Wing 1080 in it. We mounted the Spectrum SR515 to connect up to the DX5C over there. And then, so you can see we've got the dig servo connected up. I didn't connect up the 2-speed transmission, but we're running the SX107 Spectrum small mini servo. But other than that, I mean, the shocks, all the shocks were good. We took apart the transmission and rebuilt that. We rebuilt both front and rear axles. All right, went ahead and left the battery trays, both of them in there. Don't know if we're actually going to use this one. Primarily going to probably use the smaller ones because we're running Ovonics Air 2200 35C. We've been running these packs recently, and you know, it lasts about an hour and a half almost with these motors. But let me go ahead and get a battery put in this, and then I'll turn it on for you guys. All right, I got the battery in there. Let's get the controller turned on. We got the controller turned on, and now let's turn this bad boy on. So there we go. Let me go ahead and bring it over here and we'll put it on the ground. But there we go. Super slow crawl. You know, it's pretty good. All right, so I did set the dig up for the D channel, which is right there by my thumb on the controller. And so if I go over here and show you guys, it'll lock in when I press the button. See how it shifted right there on the servo? So now if I pull the trigger, look, I see it drags the rear, and then you can just hit it again, and now it unlocks. But all right, so we got it all set up. I'm gonna do a run video next, so you guys will see that video coming soon. We'll do a little testing with the dig on the crawler course and do some of the lines I normally do with my other rigs, and I might even get my wife out here to drive it for a little bit too, so I can record her driving her new rig. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and bash that bell. I'm Stitch, SK Hobbies AZ, and I'm out.